Hi guys. Hootsuite was one of the first social media management platforms on the market, but its pricing model is starting to lose favour. Many small companies don't want to pay over $700 per month for a business account limited to 5 users. It's not that Hootsuite doesn't get the job done as a social media management tool anymore, but there are probably other options better suited to your budget, industry, preferred channels, or other unique needs. There are some excellent Hootsuite alternatives on the market. To help you find one, we've listed some of the best Hootsuite alternatives in no particular order. Watch on to learn more about these providers and find out which one will work best for your needs. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's get started. The first one on the list is Buffer. Much like Hootsuite, Buffer also started as a scheduling tool for Twitter, and is now quite popular among Twitter tools on the social media marketing segment. But as the years progressed, Buffer has undergone more changes than Hootsuite. It has various useful app integrations for better social media management. Here is a list of Buffer's key features. Comprehensive feed for every social network. Free plan with one social account for a network of up to 10 scheduled posts available. Compatible with Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Users can rebuffer published posts. Content curation using RSS feeds. Visual calendar. However, Buffer doesn't give you many options to interact with fans and followers, but it's great for scheduling posts and republishing the ones that work well. And for the pricing, Buffer offers a limited free plan for one user and up to 10 social media posts. The lowest tier of paid plans starts at $6 per month. The Analytics Suite is offered as a separate package starting at $35 per month. The next one is Sprout Social. If you're working for an enterprise and you're looking for an even more powerful social media management platform than Hootsuite, Sprout Social may be right for you. Beyond an integrated social inbox, in-depth analytics tools, and advanced tools for managing an editorial workflow, it offers employee advocacy tools to make it easier to create a living, breathing social enterprise. Some of its pros include perfect for enterprise needs with social listening, advanced analytics, editorial controls, and much more. Employee advocacy tools make it easy to scale social campaigns. Chatbot built into the platform. And the pricing. The standard plan starts at $249 per month, which is more expensive than Hootsuite. The all features include advanced plan costs $499 per month. It also offers unique enterprise-friendly features like employee advocacy tools and truly in-depth analytics and reporting that are perfect for quarterly performance reports. All things considered, it's a great alternative for enterprises and large agencies. Next, we have Later. Originally an Instagram-only social media management tool, Later has evolved into a fully fledged platform for every major social media channel, including Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Still, it offers unique tools in terms of planning, designing, scheduling, and measuring the impact of Instagram stories that other alternatives don't. Some of its pros include great features for building a social media presence, especially Instagram, offers a free plan, affordable, starting at $18 per month. However, it lacks some advanced features like in-depth analytics across multiple channels, an integrated inbox, and social listening. And for the pricing. The cheapest paid plan starts at $18 and offers limited features and support, allows one set of social media profiles and 30 posts per month. You can try any of the paid plans free for 14 days. Next, SocialOomph. SocialOomph may not be too high up on our Hootsuite alternatives, but it's certainly no slouch. SocialOomph is a tool for social post scheduling. It has various features to boost productivity. It can be used by individuals as well as teams. It is useful for social posts, blog posts, etc. It has various features and functionalities like post queues, RSS feeds, post flood control, etc. It associates with the user's account, assigns privileges, and organizes them in specified teams with a keyword tracking system. SocialOomph also configures post-approval whenever required and automatically feeds the social network on time. And for the pricing, SocialOomph offers a limited free plan for one user and one social profile. The lowest tier of paid plans starts at $15 a month. As you can see, Hootsuite isn't the only app out there. There are plenty of others, even beyond what we listed today. Some have features similar to Hootsuite's, others have a completely different set of features and functions. The point of this video isn't to force you to use something other than Hootsuite, it's to consider the other options that are out there. For some companies, sticking with what's familiar might be worth it, but for others, switching to a new alternative with tools that better suit their needs and goals can help them build their social presence faster. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot, thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button, that helps too. And goodbye for now.